Hello. For those of you who may be having a little trouble with Lab 9, it's simply trying to test your ability to use formulas such as average, count, minimum, max, sum, average, things like that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to insert a row by going over here and saying insert, because you can go on the side and it allows you to insert a row. And then I'm going to scroll down to that empty row so I can get there. Hold on. Quickly. So, yep, excuse me. All right, so now I'm at the empty row. All right, I inserted a row by right-clicking on this bar right here. Right-click, say insert. It inserts a row. Command Z, undoes it, Command Z. I want to insert it here, so I'm going to go right here, insert a row at the bottom. So now I should have two rows, some more rows at the bottom. Okay, cool. Now, say I want the average, the max, the minimum of this row above of this column right here. So I simply type equal sum, open parentheses. I can grab the numbers from the start to the top, from the bottom to the top, or I can just type in the the cells. Okay, so I go to the top. I can grab here and scroll all the way down to the bottom right here. And then I hit enter. What did that give me? The sum of all of these numbers. Okay? So that's sum. And if I want the average, I'm going to go type the average, word average. And then I'm going to go equal the word average. I'll select it right from here. Open parentheses is already there. So now I know that H1 to H701, because I can see it right here. 701 over here. Let me move it over so you can see it. Oh, sorry. Excel. Okay, so you got it here. All right, and then you go, I can go H1 colon H701. And then I can hit enter. Okay, so what that did was that gave me the average from H1 to 701. Minimum, the minimal amount, you do the same. You go to equal MIN, or select here, open parentheses, H1 colon H701. Hit enter. Oops. Oh, I have a typo. Okay, hold on. Yes, correct it. So it's H1 to H701. Got that? You can do the same for max, min. Max is equal MAX. Open parentheses is already there, so I don't have to do anything. H1 colon H701. Okay, so that's the maximum amount number that's in that cell. 1,207,000. Okay? How do I know what cells I use? It says right here, H1, because that's what you're going to put in your, when it asks you what cells did you use to calculate the numbers. All I did was copy this data off the internet. And so I think this is enough for you right now to get started. If you have any questions about how to come up with these calculations, the other one is count. I'll do that last one. Okay, so you go to equal, count, open parentheses, H1 colon means through, from one destination to the next, to H701. Hit enter. So the lowest, the count was 700. Okay? The count is 700. All right. I think that's all for now. Let me know if you have any questions about how to figure out any of this stuff.